Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make heart-shaped charms. For today's project we'll need wire and some pliers, and these beads are optional, but I'm going to make one that looks a bit like this. So to start I want to get these round nose pliers and just make a loop for the top. Make it straight. There we go. So it's going to look like that, and then I want to go down the wire a little bit with this pliers. If you can bend it with your fingers, you can do that. And then I want to get a pin to help me make this roundy bit. There we go. It'll look like that. And then pliers to make it go up again. There we go. And I'm going to get the pen again just so that it helps me keep it all round. Of course. There we go. There we go. It's happening. There we go. Like that. And then I'm going to start the spiral with the round nose pliers. Maybe it's easier with your fingers. There we go. And just cut off the excess. It'll look like that. This one's a bit of a longer one. Now I need some wire, some thinner wire. Okay, I've got this thinner wire that I just want to do this little wrapping here. I'm going to start with the wire just like that, and I want this short bit to go up where I'm wrapping. I don't know if you can see it, it'll look like that, and then I'm going to wrap around it and they're going to meet at the top. Okay, I've got these two pieces. I just want to twist them together so that they hold together. And then I'm going to cut off the excess bit. There we go. And cut it off and just tuck it in that little space there. There we go, a little heart. If you want the loop to be turned, we can turn it like that. It'll look like that one. Hope you enjoyed making hearts with me. Please like and subscribe for more projects.